Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets craftsmanship, and modern design finds harmony with nature's timeless beauty. Today, I want to take you on a journey into the bold and exciting world of DIY giant wooden wall art. These are not just simple decorations. They are statement decor pieces that have the power to transform your living space into something extraordinary. Imagine walking into a room where the wall doesn't just fade into the background, but stands tall as a centerpiece of character and style. That's what giant wooden art does. It makes your walls speak, it makes them breathe, and it turns them into storytellers. Oversized wooden wall art has become a powerful trend in modern interior design, and it's easy to see why. In homes that lean toward minimalism or contemporary aesthetics, walls are often left bare or filled with mass-produced prints. But when you create your own wooden wall art, you're crafting something unique, something that blends the rustic imperfections of natural wood with the sleek, clean lines of modern style. This beautiful contrast is what makes giant wood art so breathtaking. Think about the elegance of geometric wall panels stretched across an entire wall, chevrons, triangles, or hexagons forming a bold tapestry of lines and shadows. Or picture something more organic, like oversized wood slices arranged in a mosaic, each one telling its own story through the grain and texture. That's the beauty of working with wood. It already holds a natural artistry, and all we are doing is amplifying it. Now, before we dive deeper, let me pause here for a second. If you're enjoying this kind of inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. At Kuki Decor, we share fresh ideas every day to help you bring warmth, creativity, and timeless design into your home. Subscribing ensures you never miss a chance to turn ordinary wood into something extraordinary. When it comes to bold wooden wall art, scale is everything. Oversized pieces command attention. Instead of a cluster of small frames, imagine one giant wooden panel stretching across your living room wall. It immediately becomes the centerpiece, pulling the eye and setting the mood for the entire space. One striking option is to create a giant wooden grid wall, using reclaimed wood cut into strips, stained in different tones, and arranged into a dynamic pattern. It's dramatic, stylish, and surprisingly budget-friendly. If you prefer something more artistic, you can try crafting a massive mandala or sunburst design out of wood, giving your space a touch of bohemian flair. And for the minimalists among us, sometimes a single oversized live-edge wooden slab is enough. Hang it above a sofa, a bed, or in an entryway, and let the wood itself do the talking. The knots, the grain, the imperfections, they become the artwork. There's also a powerful technique that adds instant drama to giant wall art, burning the wood. Known as shosuji-ban, this ancient Japanese method preserves the wood while giving it a blackened, textured finish. On a large panel, it creates a striking contrast, especially if you add golden or metallic accents. Imagine a 6-foot-wide panel, deep black from the burn, with shimmering gold streaks running through. It's a bold piece that feels both ancient and modern at the same time. And since we are talking about ideas that spark creativity, let me remind you once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Join our community at Kuki Decor, where we are building a family of creators and dreamers who believe in the beauty of wood and design. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together. So, How do you actually start making your own giant wooden wall art? It all begins with the right wood. Personally, I love using reclaimed wood because it's sustainable, eco-friendly, and comes with its own story. Old barn wood, pallets, or even construction scraps can be sanded, stained, and sealed into something extraordinary. After choosing your material, think about scale and proportion. A giant art piece should balance with your room. It doesn't have to take up the whole wall, but it should feel intentional. In a large living room, a 6-foot wide panel might feel perfect. In a bedroom, maybe a vertical design over the headboard makes more sense. Once you know your size, it's time to design. Sketch your vision, whether it's clean geometric shapes, flowing organic patterns, or even something abstract. Some people like cutting wood into precise shapes for symmetry, while others embrace the irregular beauty of raw edges. Both approaches are equally stunning. Assembling your piece is where the fun begins. You'll want a sturdy backing. Plywood works well, so you can glue, nail, or mount your wood securely. Since these are oversized, make sure you hang them properly using anchors, or a French cleat system, so they stay safe on your wall. The finish is what sets the mood of your art. A natural stain highlights the wood's raw beauty. Whitewash creates a light, breezy, coastal look. Dark stains bring richness and drama. And if you want to push the boundaries, you can experiment with paint, bold colors, or even metallic leaf to add extra flair. This is your chance to make the piece uniquely yours. Let's think about themes you could explore. A geometric modern piece with clean lines instantly feels structured and contemporary. An organic nature-inspired piece, maybe with tree slices or branches, brings warmth and flow. A minimalist slab with a live edge makes a refined, timeless statement. Rustic drama through burnt wood adds texture and depth. Or you could go completely abstract, arranging reclaimed scraps into a mosaic that feels spontaneous yet intentional. No matter the style, the common thread is transformation, turning a blank wall into a bold statement. And here's the most rewarding part. This isn't just about following trends or copying designs. When you create your own giant wooden wall art, you're expressing your personality, your creativity, and your story. It's not just decor, it's art made with your hands, art that connects you to your space in a way store-bought pieces never could. Imagine the moment guests walk into your home, see this bold wooden centerpiece, and ask where you bought it. And with pride, you say, "I made it myself." That's the kind of joy and confidence DIY wood art brings. Now let's talk about where to use these pieces. A living room wall is the obvious choice, giving the entire space a focal point. In a dining room, a bold wooden piece sets the mood for gatherings and conversations. In bedrooms, oversized art above the bed adds grounding and intimacy. Entryways are another fantastic place. What better way to greet your guests than with a wall that instantly impresses? You can even bring giant wood art into offices or studios to fuel creativity and focus. The possibilities are endless. And that brings us to the end of today's journey. Bold wooden wall art is about more than just filling a wall. It's about making a statement, telling a story, and bringing natural beauty into modern spaces. From geometric patterns to organic slabs, from rustic burnt textures to minimalist elegance, wood gives us endless ways to create art that is timeless, personal, and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to hear from you. Which style of giant wooden wall art speaks to you the most? Are you drawn to clean lines, rustic charm, or organic natural beauty? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and tap the bell so you'll never miss our daily inspirations. Together, let's keep creating, keep imagining, and keep turning our homes into masterpieces filled with character and warmth.